buy these 7 motorcycles and never worry about repairs again. Have you ever been stranded on the road, waiting for a tow truck because your bike broke down again? Yeah, we've all been there. But what if I told you that some motorcycles are so reliable, they'll save you thousands in repairs, and more importantly, your peace of mind? In this video, we'll break down 7 motorcycles you can buy right now that are famous for being bulletproof. 1. Honda CB500X. This mid-weight adventure bike is a reliability king. The 471 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine is nearly indestructible. And the build quality? Honda perfect. Whether it's daily commuting or light touring, the CB500X rarely complains and almost never breaks down. 2. Yamaha Tenier 700. Built for rugged terrain, yet designed to last. The CP2 engine is known for surviving harsh abuse and long rides without a hiccup. Adventure riders love the Tenier because it's reliable in the middle of nowhere. 3. Kawasaki KLR 650. This dual sport legend has a reputation for being unstoppable. It's not fancy, but the KLR is known to last hundreds of thousands of miles with minimal maintenance. It's a tank on 2 wheels. 4. Honda Goldwing. Want a luxury tourer that refuses to die? The Goldwing 6-cylinder engine is smoother than butter and engineered to last decades. Riders report reaching 200,000 plus miles with ease.0 wheels. 5. Suzuki DRZ 400S. A favorite among dual sport fans, the DRZ 400S is ultra-reliable, air-cooled, and simple to maintain. It's one of the few bikes that just keeps going, even with daily abuse. 6. Royal Enfield Himalayan. Despite its low price, the Himalayan is impressively durable. It's been tested in the toughest environments, from the Himalayas to desert heat, and still runs strong. A great value for the budget-conscious rider. 7. Yamaha FJR 1300. Sport touring perfection. The FJR 1300 is a long-distance weapon that needs almost nothing but oil changes. Many have crossed 150,000 miles without needing major repairs. If you're tired of spending more time in the garage than on the road, these bikes are your answer. They're not just reliable, they're built to last. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And remember, when you ride with peace of mind, every journey feels better. Subscribe to Ride Class for more bulletproof recommendations.